Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select accounts and sync, and here click on add account. Here click Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi because otherwise you will not be able to log in, and now enter either your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account, and in my case it's email address, which is HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com, and click on next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And tap on next then. If you would like to check, just read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. Tap on accept then. And you've just added Google account to your device if you'll click here. Okay, so let's go back. And if you click here, so under accounts, go to Google, you will be able to check your current Google account. And if you'd like to remove some Google account from your device, all you have to do is to open the settings, go to accounts and sync, select Google, and now tap on more, pick remove account, and then confirm that you would like to delete this account with all its messages, contacts, and any other user data by tapping on remove account. And this is it, you've just did it, congrats! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.